You've stolen all my fish.
I am Lord Vader. That fish was needed for the betterment of the Empire.
Empire? What empire? It doesn't matter. I'm going to kill you anyway.
You will try.
You got that right. What are you?
Your death!
Please, just sell my book.
I've told you 100 times, I hate your book.
Well, you have no taste.
You want to taste blood?
Oh. I'll have a sip of yours.
I'm just gonna close this wormhole now.
Over my dead body.
Good, let it last. Good. Hands forward, palms forward. Good. Nice.
You should be sponsored by the Pacem Stage!
Never!
Excuse me. I'd like to buy a car.
I'm going to need some upfront payment and tea.
How about I take out a loan? Ha! A loan.
I'm afraid your insurance doesn't cover that.
What?
Anyway, you won't be needing a car now.
It's for your own good.
You've killed hundreds of people.
And this time is no different.